back to the Ragged Coast Kitchen. Today we're talking about chocolate decorations, and right now I am going to introduce you to something called a transfer sheet, a cocoa butter transfer sheet. Transfer sheets are basically a soft acetate plastic sheet with images, graphics, text, whatever, printed in cocoa butter right onto it. What this does is it allows us to put this sheet, the ink side down, we're gonna call it ink just because that makes it easier, onto your wet chocolate before it sets, allow it to set, and then peel it off. And what happens is kind of magic. This is just a way to make very simple decorations with melted or tempered chocolate to put on cakes or cupcakes or just put on dessert plates as a garnish. This sheet came in like a 10 by 11 sheet. I've cut it into strips. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of chocolate, and I've got a small offset spatula. And then all the way out to the sides. You don't wanna make it too thin, otherwise it'll just crumble. Before it hardens, I'm just gonna lift it up and move it over. And again, you're putting the chocolate on the ink side. So this transfer says thank you. I wish I had brought a prettier one today, but I didn't. But this, you know, if you're having like a thank you dinner or a banquet or something like that, it's a nice little thing to put on top of a cupcake. This out all the way out to the edges. See how this is hardening here? We're gonna let this start to set up. Make a little and let those set. Now, when you're using transfers, it doesn't hurt to put these in the refrigerator to finish setting. Only because that cocoa butter needs time and cool temperature to bond with the cocoa butter and the surface of the chocolate that you're attaching it to. And a cool refrigerator temperature helps that process along. So go ahead and stick these in the refrigerator for a few minutes and then pull them out, and we'll take the transfer off together. All right, so we've just got a quick time in the refrigerator, and now we're gonna peel the transfer off. All right. And as you can see, that cocoa butter has bonded quite nicely with the surface of the chocolate. What I would do is just break it up either by hand or use a knife. So you have these nice chocolate shards that you can use to decorate whatever you want. So you have kind of dramatic curls with that thank you message. So simple chocolate decorations with cocoa butter transfer sheets. If you have questions or comments on what we did here today, go ahead and list them below. If you found this video helpful, definitely give it a like. And if you are interested in seeing more videos like this on chocolate or baking or cooking, definitely subscribe to our channel. It really makes a difference. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.